Hi, this is Ian Berry. In the very best organisations I've observed, people feel valued, they live values, and they deliver and exchange value. Three things need to happen for this to be a reality in your place. Appreciating people, making your values, behaviours, and how you have conversations with people. I call them the ABCs of culture: appreciation, behaviour, conversations. When people feel appreciated, that leads to them feeling valued, and then they're compelled to bring their very best to their work. When you've reached a shared view around what your values mean behaviourally, you've got something really tangible to hold people to account to. And when your conversations are candid and convivial, as well as compassionate, conscious and compelling, then you've enabled humanness. You've helped people to bring their human being to your workplace. And that's the kind of thing that I cover in the keynote versions of this, my signature work: people feeling valued, living values, and delivering and exchanging value. In breakouts that are part of, they follow a keynote or they're part of my symposiums or seminars, I go into greater detail in the three areas that bring these things about. First of all, people leadership. This is the art of seeing, sometimes uncovering, but mostly it's about enhancing and magnifying people's essence, including your own. Then it's about process innovation. This is the craft of making it sure that your processes mean it's simple for people to bring their best to their work. And of course, processes include policies and procedures and practices. They also include philosophies and principles, as well as structures and systems. The final piece of this great trilogy is progress sustainability. It's about making sure and helping your folk that they have a picture, a feeling in their hearts that they're making meaningful progress for them. There'll be more in the blog posts and the web pages and even Eventbrite pages that will tell you more about this, my signature work. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.